Hey everyone, this is Mike Pridmore, Territory Manager with Utility Service Agency. Very recently, we got to come alongside one of our utilities and explore the benefits of non-destructive hydro-excavation, back trucking, and backfilling poles with BMK Polecrete stabilizer. Come alongside and check this out. In the field with the Badger Man, non-destructive hydro-excavation. So utilities face challenges with locates on the ground. The locates can be off laterally. We stick that auger in the ground. We're taking risks for our employees. We're taking risks for damage to the underground subsurface utility. So Badger Man can come out and dig a hole with hydro excavation. Aside from the vac truck being one of the coolest things I've ever seen, there's several advantages versus a standard auger excavation after going through our 811 safe digging process. The vac truck can help us dig safely. That's a benefit to our utility employees and also negates financial risk if we were to hit, let's say, a fiber in the ground. The problem with the vac truck is the vac truck takes the material, the soil with it in a soup, a solution, mud. The dirt goes with the truck, so BMK Polecrete can solve that problem. With pole foam, we have a part A and a part B. We pour the part B into the box, we mix it with our impeller. We pour our part A into the box, we mix it with our impeller. We pour it into the pole hole and we safely set our pole. Within about 10 to 15 minutes, the pole will be ready for load, ready for a man to climb it, ready to put conductors on it, and ready for the line crew to work. The alternative would be trying to get dirt or rock back to the pole location, which poses problems once you have set up your line trucks. This transports easily on your line truck, easily mixed by crews. We don't have other personnel coming into our setup work zone by our utility, and it's very quick and easy for utility crews to backfill your vacuum excavated holes. This is a great solution for hydro excavation, and it allows for safer setting of poles. Please contact Utility Service Agency for all of your BMK Polecrete needs. Thank you.